Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you how you can restrict password using WSO2 API Manager. Let's start how to do that one. First of all, we need to log in this Carbon portal. So this is /carbon, right? I already logged in here. So here there is one option is your user and roles. So under that one there is one option here, right? List. Click list here. So there is two type of option is here, one for users and one for roles. So these roles, click users here. So now you can see already I onboarded a few users. So that within that user, let's take one user and I'll demonstrate what are the functionality and what are the scenario I want to show you today. So here let me go through my requirement analysis. So I'm taking three type of password. This is for sample demo, either you can use this one or any different, that is your choice. So here I'm taking one password, one scenario all capital letter and 4 digit here. Second one here all capital letter and few digit here and one special character. And the third one one capital letter, small letter and also special character is there and digit also there. So I will show you what kind of password currently it is accepting, and after restrict the password what kind of password it is accepting. Let's start how to do that one. So in Carbon portal, just I'm taking one customer user. So those were already was this one. So kindly go through my channel here. I already uploaded one how we can onboard a end user or onboard a customer through developer portal. So this is the video and it will premiere 16th of September. So kindly watch that one. So here let me change password is here. So let me click here. So here it is asking you new password and confirm the same password. So for example, let me copy this value. This is all capital letter and digit here. So if I add here, right, so new password and confirm password and change here, right, so it is showing what password for user admin successfully changed. So same for I'm taking one more password, capital letter and digit here and one special character. Let me copy this one and apply that one the same user. Me add here and change this one. So it is also accepting by the same user. In the third scenario, so I'm taking one more user, it's capital letter, small letter, special character and digit. If I apply that one in the same user, let me add here and change password. So it's not validating any format, what kind of format, what kind of restriction password you want to give, means you want to set the particular any user. It is not validating anything. So how we can force to API Manager to validate this kind of password, then only that kind of password only accepted by the user. So how we can do? So if you scroll down, there is one identity provider is here, right? So under identity provider there is one resident option is there. So click that one. So here there is one option is here, right, password policy. Just click that one. Under there is one password pattern is there. Click that one. So now you can see it is asking you validate password based on password policy. It's already on check only, means while you are installing any WSO2 API Manager product, right, so by default it's disabled only, it's not enabled. And the second one minimum number of character, how many character this particular password, means the user want to accept the password. Third one, what is the maximum number of characters. Fourth one, it is asking one rejects. Okay, so this is the default rejects is configured for this product. So what is the meaning of this rejects? Already I added in my requirement analysis. So this is the same rejects which is configured in Carbon portal. So what is the meaning of this rejects? So this value, until this value, right, that means must be contain at least one digit. Okay, and the second one, this meaning, so must be contain as a one single, means at least one lowercase letter. And the third one, at least must contain uppercase letter. And this one, what is the meaning of this one? So this means at least one special character. Okay, so the last one, this meaning is what actually, this meaning what, total length can be between 0 to 100. Okay, so hope it's clear for everyone what is the meaning of this rejects. and I will add this regex condition description in the description box. Kindly check that one. So let me do what? Let me go through Carbon portal again and check this one. Scroll down and update this one. So it is showing what? Successfully updated resident identity provider. That means already our configuration has been updated. So let's verify to update the password. It is working or not. Let me click OK. Go through user and roles, then list here. So now users is here, right? Click users. The same user I want to test now. Let me change password. Go through this requirement analysis. So here let me copy this first password again. Let me retry that one. If I add the same password here, right, and change, it is showing what? Could not change password of admin@youtube.com. What is the error? Password pattern policy violated. Password must be content. So this is now it's showing our regex is validating that one. That means after enable that one, it will not accept this one. Because why? Because it's only capital letter and digit. So let's try the second one. Let me copy this one. So click OK. Let me retry here with the new password. So now you can see, right? This is the password I added here. Change password. It is showing now what? Password length must be within 5 to 30 characters. Okay. So let me go through this one. So I'm adding here one more B. Let me copy this one. So here let me retry the password again. Change password. Now it is showing what? Could not change the password. Error. What is the error? So it is showing the same error. So it is asking digit, small letter, uppercase letter and special character, which is not exist in this password also. Let me click OK. Now let me try the third password. Let me copy this one. It have capital letter, small letter, special character and digit also. So let me copy this one and retry here. You can see, right? So this is the new password. Let me change here. Now it is showing what? Password of user@youtube.com successfully changed. That means is it actually validating the password? So now let me copy this user to make sure this user password already changed. So let me go through one developer portal. Let me refresh this one. So let me sign in here. So now it is asking me user, right? So let me use the same user and use the new password. So let me copy the password, this one, go through here. So you can see the new password here, right? So make sure you are clear this is actually validating that one. So here let me click continue. You can see, right? Now the new password is working fine and I can able to access the dev portal using new password, and it is actually validating the password restriction. So any oncoming user want to onboard in your environment, so it will validate all. It will validate capital letter, small letter, special character and digits. Hope it's clear for everyone how you can restrict your password in any particular user which you want to onboard in your environment. So those who are watching my video newly, kindly go through my channel. So beyond doubt, so regularly I'm uploading WS related videos, and upcoming days I'm planning to upload Python related videos which will AI based videos which will helpful for your future. So thank you so much those who are watching my video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel.